I'm super excited to go on my very first road trip with my Tesla Model S Performance, and we're going to pick up my girlfriend's 2021 Model 3, and I am bringing my charger just in case we have to beg for energy. I have no idea what to expect. It's about 230 miles in about 4 hours and 10 minutes, including charging. Already I've noticed an issue with road tripping this car. See, you could either charge it for daily use to conserve on battery life, or you can charge it to full trip. Well, as you can see, it's not full. That's because of something called the vampire battery drain. This car has a lot of complex computers. They need to stay at a certain temperature, and they're always running. So this car is always draining. To have a full battery when you leave, you need to schedule a departure so it can charge it fully. That's okay because it'll calculate the trip for you, and it'll even tell you how much battery life you'll have at those different charging points. But first, we have to take the good boy to his babysitter. That I gotta go, dog. I'm riding a road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when they throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it. Peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they F for this piss poor. I got too much I gotta tend to. Alright, on our way. It's been a little while now. We stopped and did a little bit of filming and stopped at my house to grab her autopilot buddy for the Model 3 and Y. Quite a bit heavier. It attaches to your steering wheel. That way you can drive autopilot and not have to worry about touching the steering wheel over and over and over. We are almost at our first charging station. We got about 57 miles to go. I think we're gonna make it. Are you excited to get your Model 3?
I'm so excited.
It's the autopilot thing is really nice. It feels like we're both passengers in the car, but I'll give you a little update later.
7 hours driving on the highway, far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regrets was such a waste, such a waste, such a waste.
All right, made it with 74 miles to go. It says it wants us to charge for 40 minutes, so I guess we gotta chill for 40 minutes. All right, 30 minutes remaining. Cruising at 208 miles per hour. Can take a long break. So how do you like supercharging?
I don't know.
The charging is down to a trickle now, to 94 miles per hour. We'll have 18% of charge when we get there. I think we're gonna go for it. What do you think?
I think we should do it.
All right, good luck. Let's see if we make it. All right, next stop is your Tesla.
Yay!
So let's go check it out. All right, looks like we have just a couple miles left before Sarah gets her new Tesla. And we have 61 miles of range left, so we made it. We didn't have to plug into somebody's house. That's your baby. Let's go check it out. I think that's your car right up here. That is not a South Dakota plate on that. See, these Aero wheels aren't as hideous as the 2018, 2019 Aero wheels. These are totally doable. And I don't think that's a hub cover. I think those are legit the wheels.
White.
Oh my goodness. What do you think?
I love it.
It's insane.
There, that just gives us the ability to register the vehicle for you.
So is it going to come with plates on it today?
So it's going to have a 31-day temporary tag on the back of the car, and we're going to be sending you South Dakota plates.
Oh.
It's probably going to take a little longer than 31 days. if you do have any questions, okay?
Okay.
Congratulations.
That's it. I can just.
You're good to go. You don't have anything else?
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome to my car.
Sticker's still on it. It smells like a brand new phone. Really nice visualization. It picks up cones. Very simplistic and minimalist in here.
It's perfect.
Great sunroof. What do you think?
I love it.
It's awesome, but it's hard to compare
Now
the
turn
Tesla
right
Model.
onto 2nd Avenue South.
It's hard to compare it to the Tesla Model S. They're just both nuts, but a different kind of nuts. Right now, we're gonna go get some food at the Mall of America, maybe ride a ride or something, and then we're gonna get into a deep dive on this car.
500
How hungry are you right now?
Starving.
All right, where do you wanna go?
Sugar factory.
All right, let's get some sugar because we're really hungry. Thank you.
Love it.
Yeah, that's super cool. $32 margarita. So we need to find a gummy bear shark because there's sharks in here. So use it like chopsticks and get a gummy bear shark. There it is. There it is. There it is. All right. Eat it.
I can't.
Sugar factory is really good. All right, what do you think?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, so I guess you want to go ride a ride? All right, let's go ride a ride. That was crazy. The guy in front of me screamed. Did you hear that? That was crazy. So we decided to go out for drinks and stay the night, head home tomorrow. I found this really cool hotel in downtown Minneapolis called the Fauché. It was built by William Fauché, who had a utility company empire in the early 1900s. He built the Fauché Luxury Tower in 1929, just a few months before the stock market crash that started the Great Depression. In 1932, Fauché was convicted of running a Ponzi scheme and was sentenced to 15 years in prison. Fauché died penniless in 1959, but his beautiful building still stands today. At the top of the Fauché. It's beautiful. So I was really feeling that hotel. It's got this like 1920s Art Deco vibe. I dig it a lot. Last night we actually popped some champagne to celebrate, and we went out on the town. We found a bar that wasn't at capacity, partied it up pretty late, and even had some hookah. So we're just about ready to get out of here right now and go on our final leg home. This has become quite a bit more complicated on the way back because we have 2 Teslas with 2 different amounts of charge, and we have to go across country. So navigation wants me to go the wrong way and charge up and then make my road trip, but I manually entered it and I should be at 17% when I get there. It's 80 miles and I have 96 miles on there. Her Tesla Model 3, it says that she'll be at 9 miles when we get there. We're gonna risk it because we think that there's quite a bit of buffer here, and let you know how that goes. It's really a way different vibe in this car than in my car. I mean, it's bright, it's white, it's crazy. Here is a Autopilot Buddy. It's your car warming gift.
Yay!
So let's straighten your wheel. And yeah, let's see you put it on there. And this will fool the autopilot into thinking that your hand is on the wheel. Look at that.
Clicks right into place.
Right into place. Okay, well, we don't have any time to waste. We're gonna try to make it. Let's see what happens. Now it's saying 8%. But when I was leaving here, I was gaining miles. So let's not go too fast, because I think the faster you go, the more it drains. There has to be like some sort of happy medium of most efficiency. So
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to know it. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da.
I don't know if it's overreacting or not, but it says that I'm not gonna make it at this point. You can see it says Happy Trails Lane, 0% chance. But it's 39 miles away and I have 43 miles left. So let's see what happens. This autopilot thing is awesome. I mean, I could really get used to this. Later on, I'm gonna be doing a video about, is Tesla killing car culture? Because this car, this Tesla Model S Performance, is everything to everyone. If you want to go speed, it's got insane speed. It's got luxury. It's got insane tech. So what really compares to this? Not much, but there are different flavors, like maybe vintage or truck or something like that, that this car can't do. I'm actually planning on selling my Maserati GT, and I'm gonna get a new toy and a new project, so stay tuned for that. The one thing is the range anxiety. Like, I'm just down to a handful of miles before I got to the supercharger. I know it's my bad. I took the risks. I made the shortcut and everything, but I mean, you can't just pop in, put gas, and be out in 5 minutes. So that's something to consider, and I hope that gets better in time. We made it. See? No need for range anxiety. I still have 5 miles left and we're at Happy Trails. All right.
Wondering if thousands of miles away, the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be.
Well, we did make it, and how many miles did you have left?
50.
She had 50 miles left, and I had 5 miles left. And right now, we're both charging at the same time. And I'm getting 190 miles an hour charging. You're getting 207 miles an hour charging. And you're even more full. So the more full you are, the slower it goes. So this car charges way faster. And on the bottom, see, it says current session, how much it costs to fill up. Mine doesn't have that because mine is unlimited supercharging for life. So that's that's something else. But yeah, so we got what, 15 minutes left. We met some really nice old people who are actually road tripping. Like they're going all over the country. They're like going to Seattle, which is from us like 1,000 miles. So yeah, we're gonna take a little break and get back on the road. I did make it, but man, it was tight. It was really tight. The Tesla kept telling me to slow down and conserve energy and all this stuff,
But you made it.
but I made it. The whole time we've been here, I've been the only Model S here. I'm always the only Model S, which is really, really crazy because that's the first model that came out. One thing to note is if you're charging and you're sharing a charger with somebody else, it will decrease your speeds. But looks like we're done and we're ready to go home. We made it. We did have to stop in Sherburne again for like another 35 minutes, but really didn't want to bore the video. It's getting kind of long, but final conclusion, we loved it. In fact, we liked it so much, we're planning another trip with the Tesla very soon to the Ozarks. So if you liked it, stay tuned for that. Some of our plans for the Tesla, she is going to get hers tinted and I'm going to redo my wheels. I was thinking either a satin black to match the blackout or like a deep, deep dark bronze. So let me know in the comments what you think. Also, my Maserati Gran Turismo is being sold. I do think I have a buyer and I'm going to be building something new. So that's exciting. Stay tuned for that. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching and peace.